Are you looking as health monitoring becomes more of a priority? The demand for reliable pulse oximeters is rapidly growing. Whether you're managing a chronic condition or simply want peace of mind, these small but powerful devices provide critical insights into your blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, and pulse rate. In this guide, we evaluate the best pulse oximeters based on accuracy, ease of use. List number: CMI Health Rechargeable Pulse Oximeter, Adult Finger Spot Checking. The CMI Health Rechargeable Pulse Oximeter stands out for its medical-grade accuracy and convenience. Unlike traditional models that rely on disposable batteries, this unit comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, making it eco-friendly and perfect for regular users. The bright OLED screen is easy to read, and customizable alarms alert you when SpO2 or pulse rate readings fall outside of your set range. Designed for adults, it's ideal for spot checking during workouts or at rest. The adjustable settings and high-precision sensors make it a dependable choice for home monitoring or clinical use. Although it's a bit pricier, the rechargeability and durability more than justify the investment. This is a great pick for user lists. Innovo Deluxe IP900AP Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. The Innovo Deluxe IP900AP offers clinical-grade accuracy wrapped in a user-friendly design. What makes it unique is its plethysmograph and perfusion index features, ensuring that you get not only accurate numbers, but also real-time insight into the quality of your readings. It has an audible alarm system that alerts you instantly if your levels drop, and the OLED display is rotatable, which is great for both left and right-handed users. Its build feels premium, and the silicone padding provides comfort during measurement. FDA approved and trusted by many healthcare professionals, the IP900AP is ideal for chronic illness monitoring and sports recovery alike. Though slightly bulkier. List number: Zacurate Pro Series 500DL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. The Zacurate Pro Series 500DL is one of the most popular pulse oximeters on Amazon, and for good reason. It delivers fast and highly accurate SpO2 and pulse rate readings in just 10 seconds. With a large LED display, even elderly users can easily read the numbers. This model fits a wide range of finger sizes, making it suitable for both adults and teenagers. It boasts a hypoxia alert and includes 2 AAA batteries right out of the box. What makes the 500DL stand out is its reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. While it lacks some of the advanced features like plethysmograph or perfusion index, it more than makes up for it with consistency and list. 4. Zacurate 500BL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter with batteries included. Navy blue. The Zacurate 500BL offers excellent value for those seeking a no-fuss, reliable pulse oximeter. Its one-button operation and fast readings within 10 seconds make it ideal for daily monitoring. This model provides accurate SpO2, pulse rate, and pulse strength measurements with a clear LED display that's easy to read under various lighting conditions. It's also lightweight and compact, making it great for travel. Included in the box are 2 AAA batteries and a lanyard for portability. While it lacks some of the high-end features of premium models, it's a perfect entry-level choice for families, athletes, or list. 5. Fingertip Pulse Oximeter Blood Oxygen Saturation Monitor, Pulse Ox, heart rate, and fast SpO2 reading. This generic yet highly rated fingertip pulse oximeter delivers reliable, fast readings for both SpO2 and pulse rate. It's especially favored by those looking for a quick, portable solution without the high cost. The unit features a dual-color OLED display, finger chamber with smart spring system for a better fit, and a low battery indicator. While it doesn't have advanced features like alarms or Bluetooth syncing, it excels in doing its core job well, providing accurate oxygen saturation readings in seconds. Ideal for casual users, fitness enthusiasts, or those recovering from illness, this oximeter